10 things in your bedroom that are making you sick. After a long, hard day, you probably let out a sigh of relief when your head hits the pillow. Unfortunately, pillows quickly build up excessive amounts of health busters such as bacteria, mold spores, and dust mites, leading to allergy symptoms such as a sore throat, headache, and congestion. Pillows should be replaced at least once per year if they aren't washable. Use an anti-allergy cover to protect your pillow, and change the pillowcase every few days. While houseplants add a powerful punch of colorful interest to your bedroom, and even help purify the air, if you tend to overwater them, not only will your plants eventually succumb to root rot, but it's quite likely that their soil will become home to mold spores that can trigger allergic symptoms in those susceptible to asthma or airborne allergies. The solution is simple: only water houseplants when the top of the soil is dry, and never leave them sitting in a tray of water. Sure, Fido and Mittens are beloved family members, but when it comes to bedtime, they are better off in their own cozy beds, not sharing yours. Not only are pets likely to disrupt your sleep, but their fur is full of allergens such as dander, dust, pollen, mold spores, and bacteria. Give your four-footed friends their own beds next to yours, and you are all likely to sleep better. While candles are undeniably romantic, and great decorating touch in the bedroom, if you burn scented candles frequently, you risk less than sexy side effects. Scented paraffin candles can release harmful chemicals such as benzene and toluene as they burn, while the scent itself is an irritant to those with chemical sensitivities. You can minimize the risk by burning beeswax or soy candles, staying away from candles with metal center wicks, and keeping a window cracked open while the candle is burning. Although your vacuum cleaner is the easiest way to tackle dust bunnies in the bedroom, if you are using a vacuum without a HEPA filter, you could be sucking up dust, pollen, dirt, and grime, only to have it spray right back out into your bedroom air. Look for a vacuum cleaner with HEPA filters that contain even the smallest particles, and if the vacuum uses bags, make sure those are made from HEPA material as well. Sure, you want your bedroom clean and sparkling, but not if it means eye irritation, respiratory problems, or headaches. And that's what many commercial cleaning products deliver to those sensitive to fragrances, Vox, and other irritating ingredients. Instead, use natural cleaning products that are free of harmful chemicals, or even better, use effective, simple DIY cleaners like vinegar to keep your bedroom clean. If your bedroom window is permanently shut, you're sealing in a wide range of pollutants, including dust, pollen and dander, fumes from cleaning products, off-gassing from carpets, furniture and paint, and chemicals from toiletries like hairspray, deodorant, and nail polish. Dry, itchy skin due to the use of central heat during the winter is a common problem everywhere, and in arid climates like the Southwest, it's a year-round annoyance. While running a bedside humidifier in your bedroom is a great way to relieve symptoms caused by dry air, if you forget to change the water daily or neglect regular cleaning of the humidifier, you might soon find yourself with another health concern: allergy-like symptoms due to the growth of mold in the humidifier. Change humidifier water daily and clean it thoroughly at least once per week. You spend a third of your life in your mattress, and it has the skin flakes, bodily fluids, dust mites, bacteria, dust, and grime to prove it. Your mattress requires regular cleaning just like the rest of your bedroom. You'll also benefit by protecting the mattress with a protective cover that's impermeable to dust mites, fluids, and small particles. Sure, carpet is soft and pleasant on bare feet, making it the most popular flooring choice for the bedroom. But carpet holds on to every speck of dust, dirt, pollen, animal dander and general grime from shoes and feet, and it can even become home to fleas if your pets are infested. At a minimum, your bedroom carpet needs weekly vacuuming and a good shampooing every few months. If allergies or asthma is an issue, you'll feel better if you get rid of the carpet and install wood or laminate instead. It's much easier to keep clean. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.